Alright guys, we are tackling another project. We have a problem with the carrier bearing on the drive shaft. We're gonna fix it with this. Let's go underneath and see what we got going on. Alright, so I have it zip tied up here. The place where I want it, but its boots pretty well tore up down here. It was laying on the bottom. So on our back side here, we just have a big hole all the way about here to here. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to tape the back side of this up. Actually, it's ripped clear up to here. And we're going to start to fill it. And then we're going to tape the bottom as we go up. And then keep taping as we go up. Okay. Okay. Squeeze, get it as far as we can. Well, the nice thing is we don't have to tape this side off because it's pretty much hold this off. I think we've got it filled in here. So I'm just trying to push it in. And it feels pretty compact in there. Okay, it's coming out the back side, so okay. Well, there really isn't any way to put it anymore, but I guess I'll just put a squeeze right here. And my finger kind of indented too much. So it's full. I kind of smeared it around the whole way around it. And it's packed in there. So have zip ties on both sides holding it up. Alright, it's been about a week. Actually, it's probably been 2 weeks. Now let's go see how this repair looks. Oh. Okay. That thing is solid in there. Get rid of these zip ties. Okay, well, don't move. It is pretty solid in there. I would say that's a solid fix right there. Okay, I'm not going to shake it anymore with me underneath here, but windshield urethane definitely works. Okay, so as you've seen, the urethane, the windshield urethane for the carrier bearing is actually holding nice and strong. And it works, people use it all the time. Quick fix, cheap fix, a lot easier than pulling the drive shaft and replacing it. This time it's definitely going to be more solid. Thanks for watching. Make sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Hit that subscribe button. Stay up to date on how the progress is going.